In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see resolved comments in Canva. If you collaborate in Canva, you know how quickly feedback can pile up. Resolved comments are the ones your team has marked as addressed, and being able to review them is useful for confirming decisions, understanding context, and keeping everyone aligned. I'll walk you through exactly where to find them and what to expect when you get there. Start by opening your project in Canva. Make sure you're inside the specific design file you want to review, not just the home dashboard. Once the design is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a speech bubble icon. That's the Comments button. Click it to open the comment panel. This panel slides out on the side and shows all the conversation threads associated with your current design, including notes, suggestions, and replies. At the very top of the comment panel, there's a small arrow control. This is a drop-down that lets you filter what you see. Click the arrow to bring the menu down. You'll notice options that determine which types of comments appear in the panel. Choose the Resolved filter. As soon as you select it, the panel refreshes to show only the comments that have been marked as resolved in this project. From here, you can scroll through the list to review the full threads, who said what, when it was addressed, and any decisions captured in the discussion. This is especially helpful if you're joining a project midstream or double-checking that previous feedback was implemented correctly. If nothing appears after applying the filter, that simply means there aren't any resolved comments yet for this design. A few quick tips to make this process smoother. Keep your project open while you review, so you can cross-reference the design with the comment threads as you read them. If your workspace feels cluttered, you can collapse the panel and reopen it using the same speech bubble button without losing your place. Also, encourage your collaborators to resolve comments only when changes are truly complete, so the resolved list remains a reliable record of finished tasks and decisions. And that's all there is to it. Open your project, click the speech bubble to reveal the comment panel, use the arrow at the top to open the filter menu, and select Resolved. With that quick sequence, you can easily revisit completed conversations and keep your design work transparent and well documented.